Würth WüCON is a fast, easy system. You'll learn how to use it quickly, and the products are instantly at your disposal. It's actually so easy you won't believe it. It only takes a moment to describe how it works. WüCON is a storage system based on remote scanning technology. It's a system that makes your workday easier. It's suitable for industry and maintenance, for example. WüCON helps you save money and streamlines your work. Let's start from the beginning. We install WüCON according to your wishes on your premises. Users of the system get a key card that can be used at any time of day. When you use your card to enter, the system identifies you and your location immediately. Pick out your products at your leisure. Take the products to the scanning area. There are no barcodes to scan or anything like that. The system identifies the products automatically. Just press the Done button and sign yourself out. The system is always available, all day long, all year round, whenever it suits you. Let's recap. Würth designs and delivers a WüCON storage system to the customer's premises. The customer specifies what products are needed. The products never run out because Würth's logistics ensure that the storage status is kept up to date. Our delivery accuracy is first class. The system saves time and money. The workday isn't wasted at hardware stores or organizing purchases. Invoicing is done according to customer wishes. The customer can easily see the number of products used and compile statistics. Wastage is reduced and spending is focused in the right areas. This is so easy you have to see it and try it for yourself. Using the WüCON system is as easy as 1, 2, 3.